Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And today actually I'm gonna show you how you can host a site from S3 bucket. I'm recording this because one person was repeatedly asking me to do this, and I cannot ignore the request anymore. So let's go quick, and I'll be showing very quickly. Okay, so let's go to S3 first. So let's go to S3. It may take some time. I know some network problem, but yeah. And let's click the bucket. Bucket name would be Sandeep Das .in. It can be any bucket, but I'm just giving name to. It will make myself remember what the domain is. Okay. Now click on next. Let's go next. It doesn't matter. It has to be public. Right, we are hosting the public content. Let's click on next. The bucket. Some time. Okay, give it some time. Okay, create it. Now click here. Now open the file. I have a demo file in this. It's just saying it's a demo file. That's it. Next. Give some read condition. Okay, read object. Next. Standard, no problem. Upload, and it will get uploaded very quickly. Okay, and go to the then go to the permission section. Sorry, not permission, it's properties, I think. And there is a static site hosting. Come click on here, say index.html, and walk, save it, done. Then it's done here. Now you have already done this. If you go here, it's saying my demo site, so it's working, isn't it? Now it's just this from the Amazon domain you can access, but we can just link with our own site. For that, what you have to do, just go to your first certificate manager, and there I have already added a site. But suppose you want to add your site, just click on here, come here, and say www. Maybe just say this I'm using demo and Sandeep Das.in. I have already generated one. So let's see. Confirm the request. And it will give some error, and not error. I mean, it will give some code which you have to actually add in your site, and it will work. Now let's go to certificate manager again. See, since I have already added a wildcard entry, is gonna approve very quickly. I'm sure. I don't have to add anything. It's already issued, I guess. Now, if I just give it still give some time, because the code here should be same. 55. Oh, it's different. Okay, let me add that in. Manager, add here, set a record, CNAME, add it here, points to the Amazon domain, here, save it, and it should get verified quickly. Well, it takes some time, so don't worry, it should. So anyway, since I have a wildcard entry, it will allow anyway, so don't worry. Now what you have to do, just come here. It's not going to take much time. Just wait for a bit. Now we have to go to CloudFormation. Sorry, not CloudFront. I was forgot some terms. Okay, so CloudFront. Come here. It will take some time. Give it some time, that is fine. Okay, click distribution, get started. See, we are using the web, we are going to host the web content, not the RTMP. Now click get started. The domain name or origin name we will get from here, not here actually, this one. This is the domain. Okay, let's see. That's the domain part. You don't need any slash and everything else. Okay, that's the domain part you will need. Remove the protocol and everything, which is not required anymore. Okay, connection attempts, 3 education timeout, blah blah. All good. Defaults are fine. Here the HTTP to HTTPS because we are making HTTPS anyway, right? Now associate domain names. You can add the WebCL if you have any custom SL certificate. So this is .in. Here you want demo dot let's say anything. But say what it's saying that you must list any domain's name, for example, that you use in addition to client from domain names for the URL specify obtain domain. So let's say it's demo Sandeep Das .in. Sandeep Das .in. Okay. Already domain names. Done. We can go with the defaults. So see, if you have any particular requirement, you can always change here. So not a big deal. Okay, distribution. Now it will give you a domain name here. Come here, domain record manager. Click on add, then select CNAME, say demo, then the pointing URL here. Save it. If we go to demo dot Sandeep Das .in, it's gonna take some time, and that is completely fine by me. Okay, now it's working. It is red. I mean, if you can see that if I'm going to demo.sandeep.in, it's showing my demo site, so it's working now. Okay, the certificate is generated by Amazon and all. That's how easy it is. If you want to integrate, you can just integrate like that. You are not paying for any certificates. So it is valid for 1 year, and that's it. I mean, that's how easy it is. So if you want to host a site using S3 and CloudFront, you can do it like that way. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. It was a very quick session because someone asked for it. That's it. I hope you enjoy the session. Thank you.